When homeowners think about increasing property value, they often focus on major renovations such as kitchen upgrades or bathroom remodels. While these improvements can certainly make a difference, one of the most effective and often overlooked investments is a high-quality entry door. In Loves Park, where homes experience a wide range of weather conditions throughout the year, the right entry door can enhance curb appeal, improve energy efficiency, strengthen security, and ultimately increase a property's market value. For homeowners looking to make a lasting impression and maximize their investment, upgrading an entry door is a smart and practical choice. First impressions matter. An entry door is one of the first things visitors and potential buyers notice about a home. It serves as a focal point for the exterior and helps establish the overall character of the property. A worn, outdated, or damaged door can negatively affect curb appeal, while a stylish, well-maintained entry door creates an inviting appearance. In a competitive housing market, attractive exterior features can help a home stand out from others in the neighborhood. Whether homeowners choose a modern design, a classic wood look finish, or decorative glass accents, a quality entry door can instantly elevate the home's appearance and create a positive first impression. Since buyers often form opinions within moments of arriving at a property, the front door can play a significant role in influencing perceived value. Enhancing energy efficiency. Loves Park homeowners experience cold winters and warm summers, making energy efficiency a priority throughout the year. Older entry doors may allow drafts, air leaks, and temperature fluctuations that make heating and cooling systems work harder. Modern entry doors are designed with advanced insulation materials and weather-resistant seals that help reduce energy loss. Fiberglass and steel doors, in particular, offer excellent thermal performance and can help maintain more consistent indoor temperatures. When homeowners invest in an energy-efficient entry door, they may benefit from improved comfort and potentially lower utility costs. These advantages can also appeal to prospective buyers who are looking for homes with energy-saving features. Improving home security is an important consideration for any homeowner, and a quality entry door serves as a critical line of defense. Modern entry doors are engineered with stronger materials, reinforced frames, and advanced locking systems that help enhance home security. Potential buyers often view security upgrades as valuable features, especially when they contribute to peace of mind. A sturdy, professionally installed entry door can make a home feel safer and more secure, increasing its overall appeal. In addition to protecting against intrusions, durable doors are designed to withstand harsh weather conditions and daily wear, providing long-term reliability. Increasing durability and longevity. Loves Park weather can expose homes to snow, rain, wind, and fluctuating temperatures. These environmental conditions can take a toll on lower quality doors over time, leading to warping, cracking, fading, or deterioration. High-quality entry doors are built to resist weather-related damage while maintaining their appearance and functionality. Fiberglass and steel options are particularly popular because they require minimal maintenance and offer exceptional durability. A long-lasting entry door represents an investment that continues to provide value for years. Buyers often appreciate features that reduce future maintenance concerns, making durable entry doors an attractive selling point. Supporting higher resale value. Home improvements that combine visual appeal, functionality, and efficiency often provide strong returns on investment. Entry door replacement is frequently considered one of the most cost-effective exterior upgrades because it addresses several buyer priorities simultaneously. A quality entry door contributes to curb appeal, energy efficiency, security, and durability, all factors that can positively influence a home's perceived value. Even if homeowners are not planning to sell immediately, the benefits can enhance everyday living while supporting future resale potential. For buyers comparing multiple properties, a well-maintained exterior and attractive entrance can make a memorable difference. Choosing the right entry door. Selecting the best entry door involves considering factors such as material, style, insulation, security features, and overall design. Homeowners should choose a door that complements the architectural style of the home while meeting practical performance needs. Professional installation is equally important. Even the highest quality door can underperform if it is not installed correctly. Proper installation helps ensure optimal energy efficiency, weather resistance, and long-term durability. A valuable upgrade for Love's Park Homes, a quality entry door offers far more than an attractive entrance. It can improve comfort, increase security, reduce maintenance requirements, and enhance the overall value of a property. For Love's Park homeowners seeking an upgrade that delivers both immediate and long-term benefits, investing in a high-quality entry door is a decision that can pay dividends for years to come.